Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your VIVO iQOO Neo 7. So first, start off by removing a screen protector and a case. So first we need to remove the case. It can cause a lot of interference and random touches, even when you're not doing them. So it's because of the bezels, and it might be the issue, so I would recommend you guys removing the screen protector if it's poorly applied, or a case because it might not fit perfectly. What you guys can also do is clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture. So basically grab a microfiber cloth and give it a few good swipes. After that, what you guys can do is basically go to your settings and update the software. So first, let's unlock the phone, go over to settings, and now scroll down until you guys see system management and upgrade. Now here in the system update, make sure that you're running the latest version. If you're not running the latest version, then I recommend you guys updating it because it can fix a lot of issues, including the glitches with a ghost touches. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.